I feel. Alright, next we have Ruth Jael A. Estepona, level HP2. Yay! One more. Alright, now to your second attempt. Nice one. Next we have Maria Hezekiah Liz Cadulo, level HP2. One more. Are you ready? Alright, jumper, your second attempt. Alright, next on our list we have Precious Anna B. Mula, level HP2. Nice one. Alright, one more, Precious. For your second attempt. Are you ready? Ready na? I believe she's ready.